and casualties. When we complete the investigation, we will make everything public. It is a very sad incident. We are transporting the injured to health facilities and hospitals. We are trying to gather people who lost their houses. We might also need earth-moving machines and bring them here.
Well, let's bring in Kamal Hashi Mohammed. He's an Ethiopian member of parliament. He joins us now from Addis Ababa. Mr. Mohammed, so what we were hearing there were two landslides. The second happened after people arrived to help rescue victims from the first. What exactly happened?
Bismillah, thanks. Yeah. So what exactly happened is a sudden situation. So I think, according to the information we received from the local authority on Monday morning around 10 a.m., a landslide has happened due to a heavy rain. So since this is not a very common case in the area, so people were very hopeful that they can rescue very few people who were victims of the first landslide. And as they really moved with a large number to rescue them, another landslide in a few moments gap happened, and which became a reason, for the days of a greater number than what was expected. So that's what exactly happened. According to information, they are giving us, still people are searching for the bodies of the victims. Everyone, be it the community or the local government, they're really highly collaborating in finding the bodies. That's what's happening.
This is a mountainous area, right? More than 300 kilometers from the capital. So what is access like for emergency responders who are heading there now?
Yeah, so given that this happened during the day and all the zone administration, the regional administration are aware of the situations, they are doing all their capacity to help people around there. Now, because of that, even people around there are.
Now to an update on the deadly landslides in southern Ethiopia's Gofa zone. The death toll has been risen to at least 229 as of Tuesday local time, a figure which may increase as authorities and residents continue to search for survivors and casualties. The Gofa Zone's Communication Affairs Department said on Tuesday that 148 men and 81 women had been killed so far, adding that the search for the bodies was continuing vigorously. The head of the region's National Disaster Response Agency, Marcos Melis, said that he didn't know when the search would stop as bodies are still being recovered. Another local administrator, Dagmawi Ayele, said that children are hugging corpses, having lost their entire family. Monday's landslides were caused by heavy rains. Locals trying to rescue people buried in the first landslide then got caught in the second, leading to a high number of casualties.